Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important message on Instagram, especially those direct requests from people who aren't in your contacts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn on vibration for Instagram direct requests, so your phone gives you a little buzz every time someone new reaches out. This guide is updated and super easy to follow, so let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Next, find and select Instagram from the list. This will open up all the options and settings specific to the Instagram app. Now, look for the Notifications section and tap on it. This is where you can customize exactly how Instagram alerts you, from banners and sounds to vibrations. Inside Notifications, scroll until you see the option called Instagram Direct Requests. Tap on this to access the notification settings for messages from people who aren't in your main chats yet. It's a great way to make sure you're not missing out on new connections or important updates. Now, look for the setting that says Vibrate. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. If it's off, just tap the switch to turn it on. Once you do this, your phone will vibrate every time you get a new direct request on Instagram. That's it. You've just made sure you'll always feel a gentle buzz whenever someone sends you a direct request on Instagram. No more missed messages or lost opportunities to connect. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on making the most of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.